Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to my dear students. How are you all? You all are happy and healthy at home, right? So, welcome to my BED class. My dear students, as you know, nowadays we learn about which section? Green pages, Dua and Sunnah. And what is the definition of Dua and Sunnah? Every day I tell you the definition. Why? That you learn properly everything. Asking from Allah Ta'ala is called Dua, and the ways of Nabi Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is called Sunnah. So, in previous video, means since yesterday's video, we start our this year's lesson. Before this, in first lesson number 1, we did a revision of previous years. Yeah, right? In every section you have to do it. Like अभी हम green pages पढ़ रहे हैं, तो first lesson में हमने सारा revision पढ़ा है. Second lesson में आपका this year का start हुआ, right? Same in purple pages, same in blue pages, same in yellow pages also. Okay, my dear? So now in yesterday's video we learned about dua for entering the masjid and the sunnah way of entering the masjid, right? Now today we are discuss about, as you know and as you can see on your screen also, lesson number 4 and 5. Why we learn 2 lessons in a one day? Because it is a very small lessons. You can learn easily, right? And you can understood easily. First one is means lesson number 4 is दुआ for leaving the masjid. मस्जिद से निकलने के टाइम पर कौन सी दुआ पढ़नी चाहिए. और सुन्ना दूसरा जो है वो है the sunnah way of leaving the masjid. What is the attitude, what is the manners for masjid we learned yesterday, and today we learn about when we leave the masjid, that time which things we have to consider, we have to see properly that I have to do like this and I have to do not like this. Understood? So fourth lesson is the dua for leaving the masjid. Allahumma inni as'aluka min fadlik. Allahumma inni as'aluka Allahumma inni as'aluka min fazlik. And translation is, O Allah, I beg you for your grace. O Allah, I beg you for your grace. In Hindi also I do it this translation that you can understood properly. Allahumma, O Allah, inni as'aluka, मैं आपसे सवाल करता हूँ, मैं आपसे मांगता हूँ या मांगती हूँ, मिन फजलिका, आपका फजल, आपकी मेहरबानी, राइट? सो ओ अल्लाह, beg you for your grace. Now lesson number 5 is the sunnah way of leaving the masjid. So which thing we have to see? Number 1, to leave the masjid with the left foot. In yesterday's lesson what we learned, when we are enter in the masjid, that time we have to remove left leg shoes first. Okay, when we have to wear, that time we use right leg, right hand every time whatever we start. Okay, and when we leave the masjid, that time which leg we have to first put outside, that is left foot. Okay, and when we enter, that time we have to put a right foot. Number 2, to say Bismillah. As I said you that whatever you are doing and which how type of work is that, you have to say Bismillah. If you say Bismillah means you start with the name of Allah, and obvious thing है, surely है कि अगर जो चीज़ अल्लाह का नाम लेकर स्टार्ट की जाती है तो उसमें आप कामयाब होने ही वाले हो, अगर वो आपके हक़ में बेहतर है. Number 3, to recite as-salatu was-salam ala rasulillah. Means when you enter, that time also you have to send a durood on Nabi Kareem sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and when you leave the masjid, that time also you have to do this. Okay. Number 4, to recite the dua for leaving the masjid. मस्जिद से निकलने की दुआ आपको पढ़नी है। अल्लाहुम्मा इन्नी अस्अलुका मिन फज़लिक, अल्लाहुम्मा इन्नी अस्अलुका मिन फज़लिक, ओ अल्लाह आई बेग यू फॉर योर ग्रेस। Number 5, to wear the right shoe first, then the left one. As I said you this also, that whenever we wear shoes or clothes or anything, that time we have to use first our right foot or right hand, and when we remove it, that time we have to use our left foot or left hand, otherwise that is not a sunnah, understood? So to wear the right shoe first, then the left one. Okay, now see that dua again. Dua for leaving the masjid. Allahumma inni as'aluka min fazlik, O Allah, I beg you for your grace. Number 5, lesson number 5, the sunnah way of leaving the masjid. Okay, to leave the masjid with the left foot. Number 2, to say Bismillah. Number 3, to recite as-salatu was-salamu ala rasulillah. Number 4, to recite the dua for leaving the masjid. Allahumma inni as'aluka min fadlik. Number 5, to wear the right shoe first, then the left one. Okay, we have to only remind in our mind, keep it in our mind that we have to see this thing properly, which thing we have to see when we enter and which we have to consider when we leave the masjid. Understood? So this is our today's lesson. I hope you all are understood. You have to learn it properly and you have to write down PDF in your CW. See, in last PDF, means last Thursday, I sent you a PDF about using the toilet, or no, using the toilet, sunnah way of using the toilet. Today I am sending you a PDF of sunnah way of entering the masjid and sunnah way of leaving the masjid. See, dua and translation you have to learn from my page. What you see on your screen when you started video, that time you see this page, you have to take a screenshot or anything and you have to learn from this page. Every time whenever I teach you, I show you a page on the screen, right? तो आपको क्या करना है, उस पेज का स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेने का, ताकि आप इजीली वो दुआ विथ ट्रांसलेशन लर्न कर सके। और जो भी सुन्ना वे है और कुछ भी जो आपको बाद में भी लर्न करने की चीज़ें हैं, जो नेसेसरी हम CW वर्क दे रहे हैं, वो आपको लिख लेना है VED की CW में, नॉट इन अरबिक CW। बिफोर दिस ऑल्सो आई टेल यू कि आपको VED का वर्क एक अलग सी नोटबुक बनाकर उसमें लिखना है। और अरबिक की जो स्टूडेंट्स अरबिक लेते हैं 5th के अंदर, जो अरबिक पढ़ रहे हैं अभी, उनको अरबिक की नोटबुक अलग बनानी है। सी इन 1st to 4th स्टैंडर्ड देयर इज़ अ वन बुक ओनली फॉर VED एंड अरबिक, क्योंकि उसमें VED की बुक में ही आपका अरबिक सेक्शन भी होता है। लेकिन 5th स्टैंडर्ड में कैसा है, VED की बुक अलग है बेटा और अरबिक टेक्स्ट बुक अलग है। जिन बच्चों ने VED तो कंपलसरी सभी बच्चों को पढ़ना है, ओके, बट अरबिक में ऑप्शन होता है, जिसने गुजराती लिया है वो गुजराती पढ़ते हैं और जिन्होंने अरबिक लिया है वो अरबिक पढ़ेंगे। तो जो लोगों ने अरबिक लिया है उनको अरबिक की सारी PDF अरबिक की CW में लिखनी है, ओके। और VED की वर्क जो भी हम सेंड करते हैं वो आपको VED की CW में लिखना है। सो टुडे आई विल सेंड यू अ PDF ऑफ द सुन्ना वे ऑफ लिविंग द मस्जिद एंड सुन्ना वे ऑफ एंटरिंग द मस्जिद, ओके। If you have any doubt regarding this lesson or regarding नमाज, वुज़ू, गुसल, कुछ भी दीनियात के बारे में अगर आपको सीखना है, आपकी फैमिली में किसी को कुछ क्वेश्चन है कि नमाज में ये है या वुज़ू में कैसे ये करना है या गुसल का क्या है, कोई भी any dini topics question you can ask me in our live classes also, then I will explain you, okay. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Dua for everyone to peaceful life. Assalamu alaikum.